In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video player in Bubble.io using the Audio Video plugin. If you're new to Bubble.io, it's a no-code builder for web applications that allows you to create interactive and functional platforms with ease. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to integrate a video player into your own Bubble.io projects efficiently. First, let's navigate over to the Bubble website. Bubble.io is where our entire setup will take place, and you can access it via your browser. When you arrive at the login page, you'll see several sign-in options. For ease, click on Continue with Google. This step will prompt you to select or log into your Google account associated with Bubble.io. Simply click on your account and you should be redirected to your Bubble dashboard. Once logged in, you will see a list of your existing projects. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new project. However, for illustration purposes today, let's assume you already have a project lined up. Click on your desired project name and this will open up the Bubble editor. With the editor open, find and click on the Plugins option in the left-hand menu. Here you can manage all the plugins used within your project. To add a new plugin, click on the Add Plugins button. In the search bar that appears, type in the plugin you are interested in. For our demonstration, we are using a video player plugin. Once you've found it, all you need to do is hit the Install button. The installation is quite quick, and once finished, you can exit the plugin section by clicking on Exit to return to the main editor. Now that we have our plugin installed, it's time to put it to use. Navigate back to the Design tab, where you can access your project's layout tools. Within this section, search for the video player element that you've just installed. You can do this by typing in the name of the plugin, such as Player Style Video, into the element search bar. Once it pops up, click on it and place it anywhere on your design page. After placing your video player, you have the option to select the media type that you want to use. You could use a local video file, but for this tutorial, we will choose YouTube as our media source. In the Properties panel of your video player, locate the space for the YouTube ID. This ID is usually the last set of characters in any YouTube video URL. Copy and paste your desired video's YouTube ID into this field. Finally, to test if everything is working correctly, click on the Play button within Bubble to preview your page. Your video player should now appear on your site, displaying and playing the YouTube content you linked. Congratulations, you've successfully added a video player to your Bubble.io project using the Audio Video plugin. Playing around with these features will help you customize and enhance your application's functionality further. Happy building!